he goes, I would cast you, but they want to see you in something more stylish.
Oh my gosh.
Fact.
Thank you so much for sitting down with me today.
Thanks for talking to me.
It's gonna be so much fun. So shall we get into it? Let's do it. I'm hearing rave reviews about your new movie, The Smashing Machine. Did people really clap for 15 minutes at the Venice Film Festival? What was that like?
It was so overwhelming. I think when you're making a movie, it's so precious to you and to the people involved, and it's very intimate. And then there's this terrifying moment where you have to share your baby with the world. It was so moving. Did you see all the boys crying?
No,
all the boys were crying.
Really? Wow.
Yeah, it was awesome.
Why was that project a yes for you?
I think I wanted to work with Benny Safdie so much. His movies are so visceral and extraordinary. He's a gem. He really is. I mean, between him and Dwayne Johnson, you've got two of the nicest men in Hollywood in one movie.
Yeah.
I'm in. But I think this is a story, yes, it's set to the backdrop of the UFC and MMA world, but I think it's about brokenness in people. We all identify with being vulnerable and feeling lost and feeling alone, and I think that that's what the movie explores the most.
You said you and your co-star Dwayne Johnson became fast friends. What's a quality in Dwayne that you most admire?
There's two things probably. His humility, it's so genuine.
Yeah.
Truly the most humble person I've ever met.
Yes.
And his curiosity in people. The questions he asks, like how he wants to kind of absorb things from you and truly present. You know how when you talk to people sometimes, they're always thinking of the next thing they're gonna say?
Yeah.
I think he's the best listener in the world.
Yeah, and I actually had that experience with him. Because
did?
after interviewing him, he had questions for me, and I think I experienced what you just said.
Yeah,
You know?
he turned that tractor beam on you.
Who would you rather have in your corner, Mary Poppins or Maui from Moana?
I mean, Mary Poppins, of course.
Okay, for me, in Mary Poppins, because she has literally anything. Like,
She has any weapons you would need.
yeah, like if you need, I don't know, a light, if you need
right.
a strawberry, if you need a flower, or you need a tissue, she'll have anything. But I also think Maui is like a bodyguard.
Yeah, but
my
he's got a
opinion.
hook, and that's it.
Well,
You know what I mean? Like Mary Poppins, she could do some damage with that umbrella.
I mean, she can.
Can he fly? I mean, he can.
Yeah,
I
he can
know
fly.
he can. All right, no, he can shapeshift.
I mean,
I have to say Mary Poppins. She's
All
my
right.
girl. I've got to
Okay.
go Mary Poppins.
you're such a pro. Do you ever get nervous before a big scene?
I get nervous for most things. I feel doing a movie, I am perpetually in a state of submarined terror. And I quite like that feeling. I think sometimes if you feel too nonchalant about something or like, I got this, like, you're not gonna push yourself.
Yeah, exactly. And like for me with the nerves, like I always tell myself it's good to have nerves, but don't let them take over you.
That's right.
Because you're actually grateful for the moment if you have a little bit of nervous in you.
It's so true. Do you still get nervous now interviewing people?
Absolutely, you know.
You do? When's the most nerve-wracking time? The night before or the morning or right before that person comes in?
Right before the person comes in, I'm like, okay, like this is gonna actually happen. I think the night before, I'm like, oh my gosh, this is gonna happen. Like, this is so exciting. We have to talk about it. What can you tease about the Devil Wears Prada sequel?
See, I can't tease anything. Disney will come in here and literally blow dart me if I say anything.
Oh, wow. All right.
It's serious.
Next question. Your character, Emily, never made it to Paris in this first film.
I know, so
Can
wrong.
you tell us if you'll make it this time around?
No, I can't tell you.
Oh.
I can't. I can tell you nothing.
What have you learned about fashion from the films?
Everything. You should have seen how I dressed for the audition.
Really?
To the point where, when the director called me this is 20 years ago, he called me in London and he goes, I would cast you, but they want to see you in something more stylish.
Oh my gosh!
Fact. So I didn't really have anything stylish in my closet. In fact, all I had was my costume from another movie I had done where I played a secretary. So I wore my secretary outfit for the audition.
Oh my gosh.
Which sealed the deal, guys.
Oh, really? Did it?
I did get it after that.
What's the best part of working with your brother-in-law, Stanley Tucci?
The martinis on set and the pasta after work and just his humor. God, he is so funny.
Really?
Oh my God, he makes me weep with laughter. We actually, because we've known each other now for forever and now he's my family, I find it very difficult to be in a scene with him without laughing.
Really?
Yeah, I can't work with Stanley.
And it's like you can't keep it serious. You're like,
I can't work with him. I can't even look at him.
you often have to do an American accent in your roles.
I do.
What is the hardest word to say in an American accent?
Do you know the hardest word to say is like a double R word, like the name Arthur? And I did a movie where I had to say the name Arthur all the time. Arthur, Arthur. That's what I feel like it sounds like, because I say Arthur.
Okay.
So any double R word. Do you know what else I find hard?
What?
Say it for me. Horror movie.
Horror movie?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Some people say horror movie.
Oh, horror movie. Okay,
Yeah.
yeah, that's what it's called. Horror.
Like a horror movie.
Horror movie.
Horror
yeah.
movie.
That means like a
Horror movie.
scary movie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That word, horror, Arthur, anything like that.
Actually, I ride a horse that's named Arthur.
You do?
Yeah.
Are you a good rider?
I would say so. I don't like to brag about it, but I
You
do.
compete and stuff?
No. I ride just like bareback.
What?
Yeah.
I don't mean to brag, but I'm only a bareback horse rider. That is very cool.
Thank you. My mom and I love to play Uno, color.
I love Uno. I can never remember the rules though.
What is your favorite thing to do with your daughters?
I mean, I love it when they want to make anything, like anything sort of Play-Doh-ish or Lego. I love a Lego. I love painting their nails. I love giving them makeovers.
Aww.
I love occasionally making them rub my feet for me. With their tiny little mouse hands, there's something very comforting about it, but I don't know. I love doing everything with them.
Have they watched any of your movies?
They have tolerated my movies. I don't know if I could call it watching. They have watched Mary Poppins and Jungle Cruise once, and that is plenty for them. They prefer Julie Andrews as Mary Poppins, just so you know. It's all right. It's fine. It's completely healthy. The one that they actually do care about seeing is The Devil Wears Prada.
Really?
But only recently. They only watched it a year ago. They thought I was the meanest person they've ever seen on earth in it. And I remember my oldest daughter watching it, and during Meryl's cerulean speech, I remember Hazel going, "Whoa, Meryl is good." Which she is. It's the best speech ever.
What does your next dream role look like?
Do you know, I never know. I am waiting for it to kidnap me, I guess. I don't really know yet what it looks like. I try not to pre-plan what I'm gonna fall in love with.
You're just gonna wait until the universe shows you and you're like,
I'm
all right,
gonna wait until the stars align.
I love that.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank
You're
you.
so cool and cute.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out Elle's Women in Hollywood issue.